Today I'll be guiding you on how to download Python on your computer. Firstly, you can go on your web browser and type Python. The official website python.org will be available. I want you to click on it. Now you have reached the official website. You can hover over the download button and then you can see the latest version of Python. Currently, the latest version is 3.14. I want you to click on it and then download will be start. The download has now been completed. You can right click on it and open the file. You can either customize installation or click install now. I will click install now since this shortcut does include all the important features such as IDLE, pip, and documentation. You can use admin privileges and you can add python.exe to path. It will ask for system permissions. You can click yes. The download has now been completed. You can click close and then you can open CMD to confirm the download. You can type CMD on your start menu and it will appear. You can type Python space -- version. Now this shows that I have the latest version of Python installed in my computer. Now let us start our first program. You can type IDLE and open it. Here you can run your Python code. I'll be printing the name of my channel. Whatever you need to print should be inside the brackets and commas. After typing, you need to press enter and your result will be printed. Thank you for watching.